Hey Tech fam, I am Neha and this is what's buzzing in the tech. The fastest way to sound smart at Monday stand-ups. Let's start. So, Google is testing a full screen AI experience in search, kind of like ChatGPT. You can type, talk, or even upload a photo and get your answers in chat format. It's powered by their new Gemini 2.5 Pro model. Google makes most of its money from search ads. If this works, they are rewriting the rules before anyone else can. Now, speaking of big moves, Google's also been busy showing off even more at its big I/O event, Veo 3, Beam, and Project Astra. So, Google launched Veo 3, which turns your text or images into high quality video. Beam, which turns 3D videos like calls like science fiction, and a demo of Project Astra, an AI assistant that can see, hear, and respond instantly. All of this is coming to Gemini Live soon. Google is trying to make its AI tools essential for content creators, developers, and everyday users. But Google isn't the only one making waves. Let's check in on Anthropic. Anthropic dropped Claude 4, a powerful AI that even beats Google's Gemini in coding tests. The fancy version, Opus 4, is for pros, while Sonnet 4 is free to try. There is finally a strong AI rival to OpenAI that's easy to access on Amazon and Google's cloud platform. Meanwhile, OpenAI quietly gave ChatGPT a nice little boost. ChatGPT users got a stealth upgrade to GPT 4.1, better coding and following instructions for the same price. OpenAI keeps improving its tools behind the scenes, staying top of mind while rivals launch new toys. Let's jump to Microsoft now. They are making agents a big deal. Microsoft says it's becoming an agent factory. GitHub Copilot gets a new agent mode and an automatic code reviews. Azure is also testing AI workflows you can plug into your projects. With millions of developers using Copilot, Microsoft wants to lead the charge in making AI agents part of everyday work. Next up, we are heading to computers, where the chip giants are flexing hard. AMD showed off chips with powerful AI built in for laptops. Intel responded with a new workstation graphics cards and teased even bigger AI upgrades in future chips. Your next laptop might run powerful AI apps right on your device. No internet needed. Now, let's zoom out to Europe where they are going big on AI investments. Europe is putting 200 billion into four massive AI training centers. This will help make their own chips and support open source AI models like Mistral. Europe wants to control its own AI future, just like the US is doing with its CHIP Act. Back in the US, states are pushing back on a new federal AI law. States versus Washington. What do I mean? A group of state attorneys general is against a proposed law that would stop states from making their own AI rules for 10 years. Companies may have to deal with different rules in every state. That's a no simple playbook. Now, let's hop over to the UK where AI is joining military. Yes, the UK plans to spend 10% of its new military budget on AI, including drones and smart battlefield tools. It's the first NATO country to lock in a dedicated AI budget. The others might follow. And in enterprise land, Salesforce just made a strategic buy. Salesforce buy a convergence AI for agentic automation. Yes, Salesforce bought a startup called Conversions.ai, which built tools that help AI move to websites and softwares. This tool will boost Einstein Copilot in CRM, Slack, and Table. Big tech is choosing to buy small, innovative AI companies instead of building everything from scratch. And now, it's time for our lightning round. Quick hit. Let's go. Apple sued over Apple Intelligence. Siri, new AI feature got pushed to 2026, and some users are not. Nvidia is going global AI factories. Nvidia and Foxconn are building a giant AI server factory in Taiwan, similar to a big project in Saudi Arabia. Minus Zero's urban autopilot, an Indian startup, built a self-driving AI car that handles crazy traffic without using detailed maps. MediaTek's 2nm chip tapes out in September. Tiny yet powerful new chips will start production soon, a big step in smartphone and devices. MIT syncs sight plus sound without loops. MIT's AI can now match video and audio without needing pre-labeled training data. Big for search and robotics. So that will be it. 14 stories. I need one double espresso now. Now, let me know which headline surprised you most. Drop your thoughts below. Smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss next video. Until the next tech news, stay tuned, stay safe, bye.